Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this JVC one disc CD player to show you. The model number of it is XL-V114BK. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Did you know that CDs have a standard capacity of 74 minutes? Now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your audio output right here. And then over here you have CompuLink 1 Synchro for recording onto another device. And this particular one was manufactured in January of 1995. To connect it, you'll just match up your audio cable to the back and then plug in your power cord. And you can connect this to just about any speaker as long as you have the right adapter, but I would recommend using an amplifier along with a sound system of some kind. And then once you have it connected, you can go ahead and insert a CD and begin playback. And on the front panel, you have your power button right here, your open and close button. Repeat, you could set it to repeat one track or all the tracks and it'll play endlessly. And then you have your editing, program cancel, and program play buttons. And then you have the search buttons right here. You can quickly search through the song. And then you have your track skip button. And then you have stop/clear right here. And then you have play and pause. And it does also feature a remoteless design. It doesn't come with a remote and there's no remote sensor on it, so you can completely operate it without a remote. And it also features a dual DA converter system and oversampling digital filter. That's pretty much all there is to know about this JVC CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.